What's up guys, and welcome back. Today I have something a little different. What I have here is a silver pocket watch that's sadly not working. The case is marked with a 935, so it's a slightly higher grade than the more common 925 or sterling silver. After opening the back, we can see the movement, which looks in good condition, no signs of rust or heavy wear. As for the dial, there are some fine cracks, and a repair has been done in the past near the sub-dial. So to get the movement out of the case, we need to rotate the movement securing screw as well as remove the stem and crown. We loosen the movement screw and remove the stem by loosening the setting lever screw. After they're removed, we can take out the movement from the case. And then remove the hands with some hand levers and a plastic cover to protect the dial. To remove the dial, we turn to the back of the movement and move the dial feet screws aside. With the screws no longer in the way, we can begin to pry and carefully remove the dial. With access to the dial side of the movement, we remove the dial washer and hour wheel. After that, I refit the crown and stem and start disassembling. First, we remove any power by disengaging the click from the ratchet wheel and slowly unwind. With the power removed, I remove the ratchet wheel cover and the ratchet wheel, and then remove the crown wheel. After they have been removed, I can take off the main plate, housing the barrel and the train works, by removing these 3 screws. I can then take out the barrel as well as the winding and sliding pinions from the stem, seeing as there's no plate to hold them down anymore. I then remove the balance cock, being very careful not to damage either hairspring or pivots. I then remove this escape wheel plate to take out the remaining wheels. The final steps include taking out the keyless cover to remove the minute wheel, and then push down on the center wheel, which is friction fitted to the cannon pinion. With the watch stripped apart, I refit the balance to make cleaning easier. And then take apart the barrel to remove the barrel arbor. And with that done, the watch is completely stripped down and ready for cleaning and reassembling, which will be in tomorrow's video, so I'll see you then.